DC Lamarr was here, back with another video, back for another Funko unboxing. This is Funko Weekend, not a sponsor, but just I bought a whole bunch of Funkos as you saw in yesterday. If you haven't seen yesterday's video, I explained everything there. We did a Marvel day, same shirt, because today we're doing DC, and so we're gonna have some fun with that. Even though I donated all of my pops some time ago, that's why I'm kind of refilling and getting back into them. I actually kept a couple Wonder Woman, of course I did, Funkos, and we got one downstairs, as you can see here, and my Wonder Woman shrine. I've made a shrine to Wonder Woman and the plane. That's the one that got me back to Funko. I was in New York and I got that, and yeah, that pulled me back in. So here we are today, going to unbox some DC ones. These are not all of them, obviously, because there's tons of them, but these are the ones I found on Amazon. Oh, we got to do this one first, because now listen, I know I opened the boxes, right? I don't collect these for profits. I don't collect these so I can retire in 40 years over some toys, but I still like nice presentation. This is how it came from Amazon. This is Batman Justice League, and there you go. I mean, really, dang it! He over here. All right, so this is Batman close up. Don't look at my face. All right, I just like this suit. That's why I wanted to get. I could have got the classic Batman, but I just wanted something different to start out renewing the collection. Oh, this one's next from the classic TV series. I bought this because I love the colors. Man, they need a Batgirl movie. Oh, anyway, sorry, I'm just talking. Batgirl, the classic one. Let's see. Oh, if you get the whole set of these, it's the Riddler, the Penguin, Mr. Freeze, King Tut. Oh, this is from the 60s. Oh man, they went way back. Batgirl! Can I be real? When I used to watch this show, obviously it was reruns because I'm not that old. I would always, you know when they say same bat time, same bat channel. I just spit, by the way, sorry. I was always looking forward to the episodes that had Batgirl in it, because she was I mean, come on. I mean, I'm a guy. Of course, I wanted to see her all the time riding her little motorcycle. And this one has a stand. Okay. I'm glad I have learned from you pop collectors that tell me, Lamarr, you throw away the stand. And I always used to do that. Wait, this one ain't going. Oh, the fat one goes here. I should know that because I'm and then the small one goes. Okay, I wonder why they did it like that. But it's fit in secure. Ah, oh, there we go. Batgirl, did that show her already? I don't know. Batgirl, Mary Batman. Okay, kind of fitting since, oh wow, that's the same one that's up there. I didn't actually plan that. I just found a picture up there. This is the Justice League Flash. Why did I? Wow, I think I did it faster than Flash. That was amazing. Oh, I might have already unboxed this when I did the Justice League that video back in October. I just don't remember. So this is still a new experience for me because I have a bad memory. But holy crap, that is just really detailed. I like that suit. So the Flash, don't get mad at me, but I kind of like this Flash better than the CW one. I know people like that one, but I don't know. He was quirky and trying to be funny, and it wasn't that funny, but that was Flash. That's how Flash was in the comics, and I don't know. He just seemed more Flash to me. So I'm sure you'll tell me in the comments differently. Let's move on. This is another Justice League. I guess this is no, it's not all Justice League. It's a couple others. It's not as many pops in here as the Marvel, but I'm gonna get more. Don't worry. I mean, I was running out of money. I still got a whole room left of Aquaman. Now, a few years ago, we would have been laughing about Aquaman, but have you seen the latest trailer for his movie? Oh man, I mean, he was great in Justice League, but I think it's gonna be a good solo movie. They should have put the movie first before, but that's okay. It's okay. The power of water. The power of water. Okay, so here you have Aquaman holding his trident because he was also in Little Mermaid. Oh my God. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you say it makes my life complete? Those are not the words I can be anything. All right, since we might as well just finish the Justice League ones. I mean, I'm looking right at them. It's not like a mystery box. So, Superman, dun dun dun. Like he trying to fly away. Hey, no mustache. I'm sorry. Oh man. I mean, did we? I mean, it wasn't obvious he was gonna come back. I'm like, come on. It was like the whole build up was so silly. Speaking of build up, no, I don't mean that kind. I mean, but like, I'm a grown man. Okay. Anyway, Wonder Woman. This is not from. Oh, okay. Is this from her movie? Because I have a couple Wonder Woman downstairs. Different two different variations. Now I have this one, and somebody tweeted me. Thank you very much. I already know about the Chrome Wonder Woman. Those three beautiful ones. Funko saw that I wanted them. They're sending them. So that'll be a video next week if y'all want another pop video. I'm just like, I'm sorry. I've been holding that one in. That email came in. I was so excited. It's like I was willing to pay for it, but they had sold out. And he's like, I got you. You're Lamarr Wilson. And I got you. Wow, why did it take so long? Usually I'm faster with Wonder Woman. Okay. Ooh, very nice. Oh, you have a stand too. Okay. Well, I'm your stand. No. Flash was not having that. Okay, I'll go get him after you see Wonder Woman. All right. This time I'm gonna check the table. Make sure to slide there. The girl who has everything and now she's on her stand. Don't you ever. It's like, no, you are Wonder Woman. Speaking of another hot woman, I gotta say, the first couple seasons I was into, you know what, I'm kind of over CW, period. So that's kind of where I am. But yeah, this is not necessarily from the CW. It doesn't say that. It just says the DC superheroes, the Supergirl. And I do like this show. I just didn't watch it this season because I was like, I needed a break from TV. And CW was just the soap opera, especially Green Arrow. Oh my God, it's like, okay, we know, everybody should just know who he is by now. Okay, to be like Iron Man, just reveal it. Jeez. Oh, I like this one because I like pops that are really colorful, and some of these are kind of dreary. Oh well, no, not the Batgirl. She's not dreary at all. Do you have a no? You don't have a stand because you're Supergirl. You don't need no stand. The Wonder Woman need one. She's stronger than you. Okay, real talk in the comments right now. Supergirl versus Wonder Woman. I think they did this in the Justice League animated series. I mean, my money is obviously on the one who's way more skilled in fighting. I think Wonder Woman got Supergirl, but Supergirl, I don't know, like Supergirl, I guess if she get mad, she gets strongest Superman. Isn't she she's technically faster than Superman? I'm not sure she's stronger, but I mean, I don't know, Wonder Woman can like break a planet. I think the super team can do that. I still gotta go with my girl. Let me know in the comments which one you think. You say Supergirl, I'm blocking you. Seriously. No, I'm not gonna do that. Oh, we got one more. Cool. A cool companion to Batman is DC superheroes, Robin. Very cool. Now listen, I know some of y'all with that DC Universe Titans, you're not feeling Robin right now. I got you. He's like blank Batman. I get it. Okay. I'm still like, I've already subscribed to the thing. I mean, who's not going to subscribe to if you're a DC or even a comic fan, you're going to subscribe to the service. I mean, they're going to have all the episodes of Wonder Woman on there, even though I already own those. But like, I'm going to give it a chance. I'm going to give Titans a chance. It's not about my childhood. It's not about me. It's about whoever is going to watch it. Get out, Robin. Although I do think that Robin at that age should probably going to be Nightwing. Nightwing didn't join Titans. No, Robin did. Unless he did it somebody was like, well, actually in the alternative comics. Look, I don't know all that, okay? But in the one we know, he didn't. All right, guys, let's put these on the shelf and I'll show you the Marvel ones. And then these, I might should move those Star Wars ones down. We'll put these second. All right, moving up from the bottom. He is still lonely. Well, he's from Lost, so that's why he lost. Sorry, I don't know why I have that one. Moving up, I got to get some more Star Wars. And there are our DC heroes. I love these shelves. Oh my God. And I could actually squeeze one more on each one of those too, before I go to the second level. And you saw these yesterday. And so now that's the whole picture. Oh, I mean, that's gonna be a nice thumbnail one day. Not now, but soon. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the DC one. Thanks so much. Listen, obviously I'm missing some. If you want to give me any recommendations of ones to get, please put in the comments. I have links enabled, so if you want to link to like Amazon or the Funko shop, that'll be awesome. If it goes to spam, I'll check and catch that and check out your link. Special thanks to the Top Pops channel just for the inspiration again. Go check him out. Make sure you say Lamarr sent me. I'll put his latest video down below. Tomorrow, it's not gonna conclude our weekend. I think I'm gonna go to Monday because I got another box in there. Funko did send this, not sponsored, not paid. I asked for this, and I didn't think they were gonna send it. You just have to see. Like, it's, if you want to guess in the comments what's in here. You probably get it right. It's just something really special, and I'm gonna have some fun on Sunday with that. So look forward to seeing you then. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. That is extremely important. It helps me out a ton. Like. If you're new here, please subscribe. Funko video tomorrow. I'll see you soon. Bye!
He's the funniest guy who gets the job done. Likes and how-tos, random bits, so fun. Man, he's so crazy, better pick up the fun. Lamarr Wilson.